Jason. I can't do this anymore. I can't live like this.
Emma. What do you mean? What's wrong?
Don't play innocent, Jason. I know what's been going on.
Emma. I swear I have no idea what you're talking about.
Stop lying to me. I've seen the messages, the late-night calls. You've been cheating on me.
Emma. I can explain. It's not what you think.
Oh, please. Spare me your pathetic excuses. I trusted you, Jason. I thought we were in this together.
We are, Emma. Just let me explain.
Fine, explain then. But don't think I'll believe your lies.
A few months ago, I lost my job. I didn't want to burden you with the stress, so I tried to handle everything on my own. Then, I met someone who offered me a way out, a job opportunity.
And you couldn't share this with me? We're supposed to be a team.
I know. I should have told you. But the more I got involved, the more I realized it wasn't a legitimate job. They're involved in shady dealings, and I didn't want you to get dragged into it.
So, you didn't cheat on me?
No, Emma. I didn't cheat on you. But I understand why you'd think that, given how secretive I've been.
All right, I believe you didn't cheat. But what about the lying?
I didn't want to worry you. I thought I could handle it on my own and protect you from all of it.
And what about the late-night calls?
They were from the people involved in the shady business. They kept pressuring me, threatening me. I wanted to cut ties with them, but I was afraid for our safety.
Our safety? What have you gotten us into, Jason?
I know, Emma. I messed up. But I promise I'll fix this. I'll find a way out, and we'll get through this together.
How can I trust you now?
I'll do whatever it takes to regain your trust. I'll quit that job, sever all ties with those people, and we can start over. I'll be completely honest with you from now on.
I want to believe you, Jason, but this is a lot to take in.
I understand, Emma. Please give me a chance to make things right. I love you, and I don't want to lose you.
I need time to process all of this.
Take all the time you need. I'll be here when you're ready.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel.